The BJP is entering the fray in Kerala with renewed ambitions and confidence drawn from its impressive performance in the recent civic body polls, looking to upset the traditional UDF-LDF cycle of governments in the state. Here's a SWOT analysis of the BJP in Kerala. The BJP's historic victory in the Thiruvananthapuram City Corporation in the recent civic polls has infused its cadre with fresh energy and strengthened the belief that Kerala is not an unconquerable political territory for the party. In addition, the party is banking on the popularity of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is the lead campaigner for the BJP. To emerge victorious in the assembly polls this year, the BJP has the onerous task of reversing a long history of electoral setbacks and the difficulty of breaking the traditional bipolar polity in the state dominated by the left and the Congress. Further, the party has to convince the voters about the narrative set by the Congress and the left that the central government has not done enough for Kerala in the recent union budget. The BJP this time has a great opportunity to consolidate sections of the youth and certain community groups which could improve its prospects. Further, the recent expansion of the NDA with the entry of influential parties such as 2020 could boost the party's performance in the polls. Party leaders also believe that governance and infrastructure development under the Modi government at the centre, along with the welfare schemes, could resonate with voters if communicated effectively. While the BJP has made inroads into certain segments of the electorate, the diverse groups that traditionally support the LDF and the UDF continue to be a threat to the party electorally. Some analysts also believe the perception